How to Avoid Ads on Amazon Prime Video, Tutorial 2026. You're mid-episode, totally locked in, and an ad breaks the moment. Amazon added ads to Prime Video, and now you have to actively do something to get rid of them. Here are every legitimate option available to you right now in 2026, from free to paid. Hey everyone, welcome back. Since February 2024, Amazon Prime subscribers have been seeing ads while watching videos, and if you want them gone, you now need to actively take action. Today I'm walking you through every working method in 2026, starting with the simplest. Let's go. Step 1. Upgrade to the official ad-free plan. This is the cleanest and most reliable method. Go to the Amazon Prime Video website, click your profile icon in the top right corner, click Account and Settings, then click the Go Ad-Free button. Confirm your payment and billing info and hit Start Subscription. Your account switches to ad-free immediately. Any content you watch after this point won't have ads, and you also get access to 4K and UHD streaming, Dolby Atmos audio up to 100 downloads. Step 3. Download content for offline viewing. Downloading Prime Video content for offline viewing on supported mobile devices is an effective way to avoid advertisements. Downloaded content typically plays without ads. Open the Prime Video app, find the title you want, tap the download icon, and watch it later completely interruption-free. Step 4. Buy content individually. Individually purchased content on Prime Video typically does not show ads. This is another way to enjoy ad-free viewing without using blockers or paying for the ad-free plan upgrade. For movies or shows you watch repeatedly, a one-time purchase often makes more sense than a monthly ad-free subscription fee. Step 5. Use the mobile app upgrade only as a last resort. The mobile app upgrade paths can be pretty clunky. Stick with the web browser method for the smoothest and most reliable subscription experience when upgrading to ad-free through Amazon's official road. Here's your pro tip. Amazon hiked the price for its ad-free plan in March 2026 with the new price taking effect from April 10, 2026. So if you're on the fence about upgrading, check your current plan pricing and account settings before committing. And if you mostly watch on desktop, the free browser extension route gives you near identical results to the paid plan without spending an extra dollar every month. And those are your 4 legitimate ways to avoid ads on Amazon Prime Video in 2026. Upgrading to the official ad-free plan, using a browser extension, downloading content for offline viewing, and purchasing content individually. Pick the method that fits your budget and viewing habits and enjoy uninterrupted streaming from today. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more streaming tips every week. Drop a comment below. Which method are you going with? See you in the next one.